Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I hope you're doing well. I've got a really cool truck to show you today. It's a 22 model Pete 389 coffin sleeper, heavier specs. It's got an X15 Cummins factory 605 with a 2050 torque, 18 speed, full lockers, and only 85,000 miles. It's got 46 rears, wet kit, really cool truck. Paint scheme's awesome. Gonna do a full walk around and show you what we got.
With strong commercial grade motors to keep it going.
85,000 miles, 2,400 hours. Platinum interior, full gauges. Got the coffin sleeper with the window in the back. Air ride front end as well. Disc on the front. Probably the coolest truck that we've got on the yard as far as overall the way that it's set up. Got a factory split tank for your wet kit, keeps everything neat. Tastefully done on everything. I love the full fenders, match the paint scheme. Air track suspension, blockable fifth wheel. Brakes. It's a really nice truck, ready to go to work. If you like this truck or got questions on anything else, feel free to reach out to me. You can always call me at 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.